Welcome to Mastering Your Finances, a guide to financial education. In this session, we'll explore essential principles and strategies for achieving financial success and security. Understanding financial basics. Start by defining key financial terms. Income, money earned from various sources like work, investments, or side hustles. Expenses, money spent on bills, necessities, and discretionary items. Budget, a plan that tracks your income and expenses, helping you manage your money effectively. Creating a budget. Importance of budgeting. It provides a clear view of your financial situation, helps you set financial goals and prioritize spending. Steps of creating a budget. List your sources of income. Record all expenses, categorizing them as fixed, for example, rent, or variable, for example, dining out. Calculate your net income expenses. Adjust your spending to align with your financial goals. Saving and emergency funds. Building an emergency fund for unexpected expenses. Saving for short-term goals, for example, vacation, and long-term goals, for example, retirement. Implement saving strategies such as automating savings through direct deposits, setting specific savings goals, reducing discretionary spending, managing debt, different types of debt, good debt, for example, mortgages or student loans versus bad debt, for example, high-interest credit card debt, strategies for managing and reducing debt, prioritizing high-interest debt, creating a debt repayment plan, avoiding taking on more debt unless necessary, investing for the future, importance of investing, building wealth and achieving financial goals, the power of compounding over time. There are various investment options, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate. There is a need for diversification and risk management. For example, retirement planning. Importance of retirement planning. The need to maintain your lifestyle in retirement. The role of employer-sponsored retirement accounts, for example, 401(k), S, and IRAs. Encourage early and consistent contributions to retirement accounts. Retirement goals and strategies for achieving them. Building financial literacy. It is important to continuously learn about finance. There are many resources for improving financial literacy, such as books, online courses, and podcasts. Always seek professional advice when necessary, such as from financial advisors or accountants. Conclusion: budgeting helps you manage your money effectively. Saving and investing are critical for financial growth. Debt management is essential for financial freedom. Retirement planning ensures a comfortable future. We hope to have encouraged you into taking the first step towards financial education, which will empower you to make informed financial decisions. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of financial education. Remember that taking control of your finances is a lifelong journey. Start today, and you'll be on your way to financial success and security.